Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Keshav today is going to talk about cryptocurrency to us. He's going to explain crypto.
Sir, I'm not going
The
to.
secret of crypto is going to be explained.
No, sir.
What is
Still,
secret?
I didn't understand what is the concept of cryptocurrency. The major curiosity of me is why you said I won't buy Reliance yesterday because you said I won't buy Reliance. When I asked why, sir, you didn't buy Reliance, you said I will explain you about cryptocurrency tomorrow. Then you will get to know why I didn't buy Reliance. So I'm curious to know what is the thing that connects crypto to Reliance. Sir?
Okay. Cryptocurrency is based on something called blockchain technology. Do you know what blockchain is?
No, sir.
Do you know what a train is?
Yeah, sir.
What is a train?
Train is something people travels to get to one
Correct.
place to
What
another
is
place.
what has what are there on a train?
What are the things on the train?
How does the train work? When you go see a train, what is there on a train?
Wheels, sir. Not.
That's an engine.
Yeah, sir.
Then
Engine.
what is behind the train?
Their compartments.
Correct.
Yeah, sir.
So blockchain is nothing but that. You have one main thing.
Okay, sir.
One packet of information. Let's simplify it. One packet of information.
Okay,
That
sir.
information is traveling all over the world.
Okay.
From you to me to me to him. So each time it goes from one person to another, you add a compartment. That compartment contains all my information.
Oh, okay.
So when I pass it on to you, it comes from Vinod. So this information from Vinod. Then when you pass it to Karthik,
Information
it'll say
from
this
Keshav.
information, Vinod, Keshav, now Karthik.
Oh,
Karthik
okay.
passes it on to it'll say information, Vinod,
Keshav.
Keshav.
Karthik.
So that way, anytime you pull that information up, you can see the full
Build up
track.
Okay.
It's a chain
Okay.
link, blocks and blocks of information. That is the simplest way I can explain blockchain.
I understood, sir. No.
That is the technology behind cryptocurrency. What is useful about this?
What is?
Useful about this?
What is useful?
By looking at that information, you can
We
see the
know
full history.
who's- Yeah, sir.
Like you have 10 rupee note in your wallet, no? Do you know where that money came from?
No, sir.
Where all that money is gone, do you know?
No, sir.
But no, but in this you will know.
Yeah, sir.
You will know where it started and how
it
it's
is
come
now.
to you,
Huh.
who all has touched it, where all they touched it. Understood?
Seems to be a nice technology, sir.
Transparency.
Ah.
It prevents any kind of fraudulent activity.
Yeah, sir.
Correct? This is the
Yeah, sir.
concept of blockchain.
Okay, sir.
So crypto is based on this.
Sir, my doubt is how someone create a currency in spread it out, and some people randomly buy it, sir. Like I don't know anything about cryptocurrency, sir. Still, in some countries, there is that is not legal to buy a cryptocurrency. Whenever I get into news of financial things, sir, some news will go like this: cryptocurrency got up, rised, cryptocurrency
Okay.
fall down.
For a country, the strength of a country is what?
It's government, sir.
And how does the government control people? One is laws,
Okay.
rules. What is another way the government controls
Money?
the country? Correct.
Okay.
And how does the government control money?
By putting some regulations and laws.
Not only regulation. Who makes the money? Who makes rupees? Indian rupee comes from where?
RBI,
Who owns RBI?
Indian government.
Don't guess. You know the answer.
Yes.
So be confident.
Okay,
Speak up.
sir. Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
people will not be able to hear you.
Okay, sir.
So you're right. Government of India controls the country by one method of controlling is through the economy.
Okay.
How does it control the economy? Main thing it does is it controls currency. So when you buy Indian rupee, it is from the Indian government.
Yeah, sir.
So Indian government decides how much rupees there is, what all the rupee can do. It's all decided by the Indian government.
Yeah,
That is
sir.
the strength of the government. When crypto comes into the country, it takes that power away from the government.
Okay.
So you and me can be starting to trade in crypto. You give me service and I start paying you in crypto. The government of India is not involved in it.
Okay.
And if the government of India is not involved, how will they tax it? How will they know what's happening? How will they control you and me having a financial transaction if we're not using the currency?
They will say it's illegal.
See, I'm simplifying this down.
Okay.
It's a little more complicated than this. But I'm trying to simplify it down.
Okay.
Why governments don't want crypto?
Because they don't know what are happening.
They can't control it.
Okay.
You're right. Government's argument is illegal activity can happen.
Yeah, sir.
Illegal activity can happen in Indian rupee also. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
So that argument doesn't hold water. Main reason government, they lose control.
Yeah, sir.
Correct? So whenever the Indian government lends money, borrows money from you by giving you a bond, when they run out of, when they have to pay you interest and they don't have enough money, they just print more currency and give it to you.
Yeah, sir.
American government is printing dollars, no? The interest rate, I explain that to you.
Yeah, sir.
Interest rate going up and down is nothing but more currency being made and removed.
Okay.
If you stop accepting that, the rupee loses its value. This is what happens to a lot of very poor countries, in the Central American countries. El Salvador famously now is accepting cryptocurrency because government is not able to prop up its economy anymore using their currency.
Okay.
So they're saying, okay, we'll accept crypto. They're trying to take another route
To boom their economy. Okay.
because their situation is very desperate. But someone like the US government or the Indian government won't give up. US government will not give up the dollar.
Okay.
Indian government give up the rupee. This is the main reason there's resistance from governments to allow crypto.
Let in crypto. Okay.
But there's another problem in crypto. Tell me what it is. You know where Indian rupee is coming from?
Yeah, sir. From Indian government. RBI.
Yes. Crypto, where is it coming from?
We don't know, sir. It's somewhere through the internet, digital.
It is being mined.
Okay.
There's a certain algorithm, equation. Every time you solve that equation, a new crypto Bitcoin is created. This is for Bitcoin.
Okay.
Like this, you can also create a cryptocurrency. You can base a set of equations. I'm simplifying this really down. Okay?
Okay.
A lot of people are going to be freaking out, crypto guys saying this is not right and all that, but I'm trying to explain it to you. Level. So you can set a set of rules.
Okay.
And if these rules are solved and equation is fixed, you create a case of coin.
Okay.
Then you can say this satisfied, you can create case of coins. Then you can say one case of coin is equal to one Bitcoin or whatever. You can say it's all set by you.
Okay.
See, the funny thing is, why you're looking very confused? It's like, you mean, sir, I can just create?
Yeah, sir. It looks like I am running it down a government.
You can go. There are millions of Bitcoins. I mean, not Bitcoins, sorry, cryptocurrencies. I'll show you. See, I'm sure I will edit it out. How many cryptocurrencies are there?
It's keep going on, sir.
Every day, new cryptocurrencies are coming.
Every day people are also buying that, sir.
Yeah. It's gambling.
Okay. Sir, but my major doubt is in Reliance, we know that Mukesh Ambani is running Reliance.
Wait, we're coming there.
Okay, sir.
So, the problem, like you said, in crypto is we do not know. There's no, though it is the technology of blockchain, we understand that. How you know if you buy ownership and all that. Here in crypto, the problem is there is nothing really legitimately there. It's completely out of thin air.
Okay.
Correct. There's a lot of companies, crypto companies, which have failed recently. There are ones which are like crypto coins.
Okay.
The company collapsed. So those coins became zero value. So if you're an investor, let's say you invested $200, it becomes zero value. No one's there to buy your coins anymore. There's nobody there.
Okay.
So it's become, people have lost money. Second way people have lost money is crypto banks. Okay. People have been using crypto banks. You deposit your coins there. That guy will hold on to your coins.
Okay.
Like a bank and give you interest on that.
Okay.
And he lends that money and all that. Some of them have collapsed, have disappeared. Third way in the crypto is crypto trading. Very famously, Anand Sir spoke about it. American crypto trading guy collapsed. There, it's like share trading. You trade cryptocurrencies, buy and sell cryptos, different types of cryptos. That one collapsed.
Okay.
The market went up all the way to $3-4 trillion and it's collapsed to $1 trillion. Lots of middle class people have been wiped out.
Okay.
So in this kind of environment, okay, I would not advise you to invest in crypto. I don't invest in crypto.
Okay.
I wouldn't advise you to invest in crypto because of there is no real understanding what is happening. Correct? It's not regulated by any government.
Okay.
Okay, and I don't know if government should regulate it. I don't know. And the way it is right now, it's pretty much like gambling.
Okay.
Okay, a lot of guys will disagree. Immediately comments. They'll say, no, I put $1,000 and I made $5,000. Bots will come commenting on this.
Yeah, sir.
That is side. I'm only talking about for Vinod and Keshav. We really don't understand it.
Okay.
So we can't afford to invest in it.
Okay.
The basic premise of any investment which Anand tells us about is you should understand it. Correct. Even currency trading, Anand doesn't tell us to play with. Meaning buying dollar futures, trading in yen, betting against currencies. In India, you can still trade in currencies and we don't even do that.
Okay.
Because we don't understand it. And we can get wiped out. Same thing is true in crypto. Now let's move to Reliance.
Okay. So just a minute, sir. I don't know if this question is silly or not, but my doubt is rupee dollar. Rupee is getting down, dollar is getting higher, sir. Because of that, we increase interest rates. to get that get back to the
To bring it back up.
bring it back up, sir. But in Bitcoin, all I can see is it's getting so much high. Suddenly it falls. How can they
Majority
getting
of
it up?
Bitcoin, the problem, I'll tell you what the problem. Majority of the Bitcoin is privately held. It's not being traded. What's actually being traded in Bitcoin in the market is very little.
Okay.
Most people who have Bitcoin are hoarding it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what is actually being bought and sold is very little.
Okay.
Now, when very little amount is being sold up and down, price will be very volatile.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Let's say there's 100 people who want to buy it. There's only one Bitcoin. Suddenly the price of the Bitcoin will go up because everybody will be bidding against each other, pushing the coin price up.
It's like the example you said that if you have a medical store in the city.
Correct.
the one-
So now
okay.
let's say reverse.
Okay.
You have 10 guys with a Bitcoin. They all want to sell it as a simultaneously get out. Right? And there's only 2 guys buying it. Each one will be discounting the price.
Yeah, sir.
So that
False.
falls.
Okay.
Because of the thinness, it's very volatile market. Right? So Bitcoin prices go up and down because of the trading in the Bitcoin.
Okay, sir.
It's not Bitcoin value which is going up and down. It's because of the trading in the coin.
Okay.
It's pushing it up and down.
Okay, sir.
People suddenly feel enthusiastic. Bitcoin is going to do very well. Some good news. Elon Musk will tweet something or something.
Yeah, sir.
Some
Still,
news
like,
comes.
still,
You'll see Bitcoin going today. It's gone up by 20%.
Yeah,
by
sir.
30, because everyone suddenly wants to buy some Bitcoin.
Still, everybody believes in 6 to 7 years, Bitcoin will be the currency which we will use in the future. It will go up and up. They are still saying that. I don't know why they are believing in something that.
That's true in everything. Okay, so even when you're investing in Anand Ambani's company, you think it's going up, and only you're investing.
Sir, sir, but
when you're investing in Diamond Trader, you thought it is going up, only investing.
Sir, but as a layman like me, I can see. I just searched in Google who invented crypto. It is showing someone named some group of people named.
That itself, we really don't know.
Yeah, sir. Then how can we invest on that? As a basic layman, I can understand that.
No.
Sir.
But what you don't understand is you're not investing on that. You're investing on people market feeling of it going up and down.
Okay.
Right? Because when you buy a Bitcoin, there's very limited uses for it.
Okay.
You can't go to the store and buy your cigarettes with the Bitcoin. Right? You cannot go put petrol with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, only what a reason now you're buying it. If you're buying it as case of today, you're only buying it as a gamble.
Okay.
You're putting $10 in, thinking, okay, it's going to go up. But the problem with human mind is, as soon as you put the $10 and Bitcoin moves up rapidly up and down within days, you'll see your $10 has suddenly become $50. But you will not want to sell it at the time. Because you'll be like, hey, 3 days has gone to $50. Maybe
The next 3 days it will
I
go
should
up.
put in another $20 and it's going to go to $100.
Yeah, sir.
There's a good chance. Because you just feel it, like gambling. This horse has won the race. Definitely next time it's going to win the race. What do you base it on? You don't base it on anything because you really don't know.
Yeah, sir.
See, currencies move on government decisions. There's something for you to see. There's little bit of transparency in it. American Fed decides and they decide to do something. Currencies move.
Okay.
Indian government decides to do something. Or Russia invades Ukraine. There's something which is happening. In crypto, within 1 hour, you buy a coin, you go outside, drink one chai and come back, it's gone up by 10%. And you can't even find out why. And a lot of speculation will happen.
Okay.
News will, all kinds of crypto news will come. Because of this reason, they'll give you some reason. I don't know, it all sounds very weird to me.
Okay, sir.
It's literally like seeing stars moving, no? Today, Taurus has gone to Gemini and this is looking at the stars.
Understood, sir. Understood.
You see on the roadside the palm reader.
Yeah, sir.
That's how I feel is crypto. Because that's how I understand it. Because there's no regulation, there's nothing in it.
Okay, sir. Sir, if I create a Bitcoin now, if I am able to create a Keshav coin now, if I sell it, sir, the prices are going up. Suddenly more people
all guys who do crypto, they want
to make a cryptocurrency. Okay.
You know what they want? When they sell it, they want dollars.
Oh. Okay.
They believe in their currency so much. And they're saying there's a future of everything. Right? All these guys who collapsed, right? All of them kept their money, their personal money, everything was stashed in dollars.
Okay.
Why?
Because they know
they
that
took crypto, they sold crypto, took the dollar, and they kept the dollar.
They know that crypto doesn't.
It begs the question, no?
Yeah, sir.
Makes you wonder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's come back to Reliance.
Okay, sir. Mm. That's the major curiosity of me, sir. Why
Yeah.
it is connected to Reliance.
Problem for me with Reliance, it's
Okay.
like this. Mukesh Ambani promises lots of things.
Okay.
But when a time comes to do those things,
Mm.
he suddenly changes his mind.
Okay, sir. Mm.
Right? It is a one-man army.
Mm-hmm.
Though he's got a board and everything,
Mm.
he decides to do things. And there's complete... it's kind of worries me when I see it.
Okay.
The way the two brothers were
Mm.
under their father, and if you see the complete history, the way they broke up, fought,
Okay.
and the way they went after each other,
Mm.
and the way Anil Ambani was destroyed,
Mm.
and the way Mukesh is,
Mm.
I feel nervous putting my money.
Okay.
Because he says, I'm going to invest, close my debt, make it a zero debt company. So he borrows money or whatever he does. He raises the money to do that. Then he decides not to do that. He takes a U-turn on that. And he decides to invest it with Facebook on other things. And he does different things.
Mm-hmm.
His way he moves around with Reliance makes me feel nervous.
Okay.
For the same reason why crypto makes me nervous, because I don't know.
Okay. After you saying this, my mind goes, Dhirubhai Ambani made 2 bitcoins that we don't invest. Right.
No, it is unfair
Okay.
because there are people who are real supporters of Reliance,
Okay.
and it is a physical company. I
Okay.
should not say it is the same.
Mm-hmm.
Reliance is a physical company.
Okay.
There is a plant.
Yeah, sir.
They are making goods. They're selling it. But the way he runs his company makes me nervous.
Okay.
The bets he takes makes me nervous. Like Elon Musk.
Mm-hmm.
That's the main reason I wouldn't want to buy a Tesla share or buy a Twitter share. No,
Okay.
Twitter's not there anymore. It's privately held by him. But anything he's doing, SpaceX is also privately held. Main thing you can buy Elon Musk is buy Tesla. Because there seem to be guys who are deciding not very transparently,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
which makes me nervous. The argue can be that even the Tatas are like that, you can say. But Tata's track record is 150 years.
Okay.
Mukesh Ambani's track record is not 150 years. Mukesh Ambani's track record is maybe 25 years.
Understood, sir.
And if you see his history of the way one of the main reasons Anil Ambani went down the way he went down is his brother decided to fix him.
Okay.
When he started his mobile industry, they were not supposed to enter each other's industries. They had lots of agreements in place. But Mukesh always would find ways to bend those agreements.
Okay.
And there's actually an interesting documentary about that, which you should see.
Okay.
How Mukesh made sure Anil Ambani failed.
He made his own brother fail. Okay.
In a roundabout way.
Okay. Understood.
See, if you have an appetite to destroying yourself, and I keep on enabling that habit of yours, you'll eventually destroy yourself.
Yes, sir.
Correct? But it can be argued that people who defend Mukesh will say he never wanted this. When their father died, he wanted everything to be together.
Okay.
He tried to keep it together. It was Anil who was at fault, who wanted to separate.
Separate.
Because he wanted to be the big boss, and his brother was not allowing him to sit in the big chair. People who defend Mukesh will say that he's the elder brother, so it was his right to sit on the big chair. So that's the thing. So a lot of people who defend Mukesh feel that he did the right things.
Okay.
It was his brother who was wayward.
Yeah, sir.
I don't know. But between both of them, the way they fought, you wouldn't want to be on the wrong side of Mukesh. And he's busy right now diversifying the company.
Yeah, sir.
So I don't know. I'll wait and watch before I invest.
Okay.
And this is true for cryptocurrency also. There are people, right now the way cryptocurrency is, it's pretty much gambling.
Okay.
I would not invest. And stock market is also in one level is pretty much gambling. I don't like gambling.
Okay.
I like investing. Right? And one of the most important things in investing is when you invest, you want stable returns, predictable returns over a period of time.
Okay.
Correct?
Understood, sir. Yeah, sir.
If that is not there, then you're not investing anymore. What you're doing is speculating.
Just gambling.
Speculating is trying to say if it's going to rain today or not, should I take an umbrella and go? That is speculating.
Understood. Understood, sir.
I feel investing in Reliance is like that.
Okay. So, on today's session, I have learned so much that after learning about some things in share market, the first thing most of us thought is just see the numbers Just see how it will move on and invest. Now I came to know, just seeing the numbers,
Exactly.
it's not
That's the same way a lot of people are investing in crypto.
correct, sir.
Like you
Now I
saw
get to know.
the amount of coins.
Hmm.
Now, which coin do you invest in? You don't know. So you immediately see, okay, for last 10 days, how this coin has been doing.
Hmm. Yeah, sir. By
Not
seeing
many people will see who created the coin,
Hmm.
what is the coin actually used for, is the coin a legitimate coin?
Hmm.
A legitimate coin means is the coin being actually, does it have a purpose?
Hmm.
Is it being used for transaction? Is it a token? What is the use? Why was that coin created? If it doesn't have any purpose like that, it's just a, what you call speculation coin.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It's like me creating a dummy company and releasing an IPO. And
Understood, sir.
the market starts pushing that IPO up.
Hmm.
I pump that IPO up.
Pump and dump. Like.
Yeah, you can do that. Happens in Bitcoins also. Catch a couple of influencers, give them each $100,000, and tell this Bitcoin is like fantastic. So everyone
Start
stays. You
trading
saw it in US. All the celebrities and sports stars were pumping up that company, the trading company,
Hmm.
which was trading in Bitcoin, which collapsed.
Okay.
They all pumped it up. Now all of them are all very quiet. All those celebrities did not take payment in Bitcoins. They all took money payment in
Dollars.
They were promoting Bitcoin, but taking payment in American
American
dollars.
dollars. They know what
Now
is
they're
going
all quiet. Those same celebrities
Mhm.
are all very quiet. That guy's company imploded,
on.
and public has lost a lot of money.
You don't keep quiet.
Now everyone's just keeping quiet.
Okay.
Okay,
Understood, sir.
when it's like that,
Hmm.
that's where the problem is. Companies in India are like that,
Hmm.
in some extent. If you see the rise and fall of Vijay Mallya,
Okay.
you see the rise and fall of Anil Ambani,
Hmm.
you see the rise and fall of Jet Airways,
Hmm.
Z,
Hmm.
Sahar.
Hmm.
I can keep giving you names.
Hmm.
Will Mukesh Ambani be one? I do not know.
Okay. Understood.
Because
sir.
sometimes the way he does his business scares me.
Okay.
Maybe he's right. I am probably very wrong.
Hmm.
But it's my money.
True.
And if I lose the money, will the public, everyone who's saying, yay, Ambani, will they come back and return money which I lost? No.
No worries.
They'll say you're a fool.
Yeah, sir.
That time, everyone look back in the rear view and say, that day itself you all knew.
Hmm.
Like Anand Ambani. Everybody now looks at it and says, that day itself we knew.
Hmm. Yeah, sir.
But when he was rising star, everybody bought his shares.
Hmm.
When my father initially bought Reliance Industry in IPO, when these brothers split, we got shares in equally in all those companies.
Okay.
And we saw Anil Ambani's company being listed away and Tabak falling and becoming nothing.
Okay. So now I get to know, sir, why you was saying I won't invest on Reliance.
Yeah.
I came up with the idea, sir.
It would be wrong to say it's same as crypto.
Hmm.
But from my perspective, the way I understand crypto is the way I understand Reliance because of transparency of the way it is set up.
Hmm. Understood, sir. So today is really I learned more that seeing numbers is not important. We have to see when it is originated, how it's moving now, how it will be in the future. I get to know that, sir.
And the relationships the way he works with his partners also.
Okay.
People I've spoken to people who supply material to Reliance companies.
Okay.
They don't speak very well of Reliance. Okay. I've seen customers of Reliance.
Hmm.
These are all B2B, not B2C.
Okay.
They don't speak very well of Reliance.
Hmm.
And the same guys supply to Tatas. They have glorious, very beautiful things to say about the Tatas.
That is enough, sir.
That's enough for me. That's Fisher.
Yeah.
That's what Peter Fisher says.
Hmm.
He says, see this.
Peter Fish.
Peter Fisher, sorry.
Oh.
Correct.
Ah.
See, that's how well you've improved. Okay, so you're catching me,
Thank you.
which is good. So that's what the basic thing is. You see these things, and if you don't hear the correct noises,
Okay.
you shouldn't be putting your money there.
Yeah, sir.
Your money cannot be based on what you hear from the talking heads.
Okay.
It has to be based on something, actual information which you go and investigate and find out.
Mm-hmm. Understood.
And I said you only get 4 spots,
Hmm.
so that means each of those spots is precious.
Yeah, sir.
So that much investigation you do. If you're feeling lazy to do that, then like I always said, index fund is the best. If you don't want to do the homework and study and figure it out, then index fund is the best.
Okay.
Unfortunately, there's no crypto index, which will keep on rising and never fall. I hope you're not investing in crypto, okay, sir?
No, sir. By searching that who is the founder of crypto, I got this is not.
That's not the motivation behind investing in crypto. Most crypto people are They always argue. The biggest argument is that they are not. They're against government regulation and government control. That there is actually a fully free currency.
Hmm.
No one uses crypto to buy anything. At least at our level, in our day-to-day, while we live in Chennai, we can't do anything with crypto.
Yeah, sir. True.
Even Elon Musk sometimes will say, yes, you can buy my car with crypto. Then he says, no, you can't buy it. Then he says, you can buy it. And then he says, maybe tomorrow. So I do not know.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I hope it was informative, this conversation.
Yeah, sir. Very much informative,
Yeah.
sir. So seriously, it's a very much informative session because I get to know why you said compare Reliance with crypto. You didn't say that I'm seeing Reliance as a crypto, but I'm
From our perspective, what we
from
can
your
see.
perspective. Yeah, sir. So as we came to the end of the video, that we are not about what to say.
We're not against crypto. We're not for or against
Yes.
crypto.
Yeah.
It's your individual choice.
Yes, we are not against crypto. It's our individual choice, and Sar said it in his perspective that how he sees crypto. So that's how I also see crypto, because when I searched about crypto, there is no information. That is simply saying cryptocurrency is created by him. But when I searched about him, there is no one like him. There is a group of people who named as him created that. That is enough for me to not invest in crypto. Hope you guys will find this video informative, and please share this video to everyone who keeps saying the crypto will go high, the crypto will fall down. After seeing this video, you have to do the three things: like, share, and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. If you didn't hit the bell button, whenever we post a video, you will not get notified. Thank you for watching. Be rich.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.